so many pieces all back together now. What's your vision?
Hello friend, welcome to my new video. In this video I will help you how you fix the copy of Windows is not genuine. Please subscribe my channel. So let's start our video. First go to Start menu and open Command Prompt as of administrator and type slmgrm. Click OK. And then restart your computer. After restarting my computer, you can see here the genuine message is gone from my desktop. Also you can see I can change my desktop wallpaper. But wait, we didn't complete our problem yet. Go to Star menu and search Regedit and run as administrator. Go to HKey local machine, open software, and open Microsoft. Open Windows NT and open current version and find software protection platform. And double tap on skip rear and change the value 0 to 1. Click OK. Again go to Start menu and open CMD as of administrator and type slmgrm. Now you're done. Restart your PC. And don't forget to subscribe my channel Expert Diary. Thanks for watching my videos.